Good evening, traders. Hope everyone had a safe and wonderful holiday so far. I know many of y'all are still on vacation, and most traders are on vacation for the next week. So I expect another low volume week as we had at the end of last week. We did see a good push up though in this low volume market. Sometimes we do get that with no selling pressure coming in and a lot of buying happening, even though there's not many traders out there. We did get a push over the 200-day moving average, also over this little resistance area. We still got some resistance ahead at the 1267. We're not out of the woods yet. We could still see a pop and fade. We haven't been able to hold over the 200-day moving average for very long, so don't load up on longs thinking we're all safe here. Our first stock on the watch list is NOA. Looking for a red to green move. Buy it at 694 if there's weakness in the morning. VVUS looks like it's trying to bounce this bottom. It's putting in a good resistance at the highs at 924. Buy it at 925. Maybe we can get a gap fill or at least to the 50-day moving average. SQNS still bottoming here. Look for a break to push it into the 20-day moving average. LPS, this is forming a nice bear flag. Big sell-off. It's already working its way out of the oversold conditions. So look for a breakdown to short it. The panel is still setting up here with a nice box. With a break higher, we can get a push into the 20-day moving average, and with a break lower, we can get a push down here, I would say about the 3060 level. CHRS looks good for a break over the highs. PBH is a nice little flag here. I wouldn't play it till it broke over 1162. Could get a nice run. ALTE still trying to push this 52-week high here. Look for a break at the 2325 level. MWW gonna get squeezed in between the 50 and the 20-day moving average. I would play it on a break of the 50-day moving average. Exam still looking nice. I like this one. Got a nice flag setting up here. Good run at least to the 1013 level. You can get a good risk reward out of this one. Jeff also doing a nice flag here. Play it over this 1420 level at least to the top of the flag. Another good risk reward. HDY been beaten down. We're seeing a flag being formed here, nice bottom. These little bottom bounces are running. It's January, they run hard. Look for a break over the 225 level. Could see a nice pop higher. Sun H still looking nice. Still got this little resistance line here at the 377 level. Could break out nicely. MFC, I like it over the 20-day moving average. Looks to be setting up nice. The 20-day is flattened out. LGH, it broke down. I've been waiting for this thing forever. I missed the breakdown. It broke down under the 50-day moving average. It's now flagging back underneath. Look for a breakdown lower. DGI, still like a break out of this range. RENN, this is another pop over the 20-day moving average. Finally starting to see a flattening out. I really like this setup. I think it can really run hard if it does get that pop over the 20-day. STAA, I'm looking at this one for a short. Looks like we have a good support here at the 1050. We could get a push down to at least 10. INHX, this stock seems to be going nowhere. I'm not sure if it's waiting for some news or if it's just sitting here stalling. But it looks to be getting weaker. We'll look to short it under the 1049 level and covered around the 966 level. Another good risk reward setup. Alright, that's what I got for you all tonight. Make sure you have a good list of longs and shorts going into this week. It's going to be another low volume week. We only got it's a 4-day week, obviously, so I wouldn't expect too much, and I wouldn't try to overtrade this, but definitely have a good list ready for you. Have a good night, and I'll see you all tomorrow.